We are on Alum Hollow Creek Trail, and this is a little bit of the creek that's going down to cause the waterfall that should be down there somewhere. But I thought I would show you as we go along. You see, this is creating all kinds of small waterfalls. You see that. Let's go on back up here. We came from this way. But here, take a look at all that. Look at this big rock here. And you see, we got all of that there. And here's the little creek. You see just a little bit of water running right there, creating little waterfalls. And then we crossed right here. So you can see that. We came down through there. So all of this should be leading to the major waterfall. That's what we're heading for. So stick with me. There's a little bridge around across. Have to go across on the Alum Hollow Creek Trail. See the butterflies down there flying around. You can see water coming this way. All these slick rocks. Okay, so that I've got some signs. We'll go look at that in a second. And then look how fast this is running. Oh, and look at all the fungi on this well, on all these logs. How cool is that? Alright, let's go look. Okay, this says Alum Falls and Rock Shelter is this way to the right, actually. Alum Hollow Trail goes to the right. Turtle Creek Trail goes to the left. Aha! So it's a whole different thing. So we're going this way to go find the falls. So we'll do that and I'll show you more as we go. Alright, we're just about to the real fall. Look through there, you'll see several little ones. And as we come down this way, see all that out there. I believe that right there is the main fall we're working our way down towards. Down that way. You can see the trees and stuff covering it right there. Let's keep going that way and get to it. Well, as you can see, we made it down here to the falls. So I've taken quite a few pictures with my quote-unquote real camera. But isn't that a nice fall? This thing is really running. I'm glad I came here today. Just to show you some of the surroundings. See that running on down through there. My camera's set up and it goes on down there. But you see back over here, you got this big tree. Little teeny cave right there. And back to the waterfall. And look at the fallen trees. There's actually 3 of them across this thing. Pretty nice. Alright, we just came back up the little hill from the waterfall you just saw, and look at this. This is what they call the rock shelter right here, and now you should be seeing why they call it a shelter. Look up at this rock face. Now here, as I go in it, yeah, I'm completely under it now. Look at that. Ouch. Okay. So right there, that's probably about 5'5" or so, because bend on my knees a little bit, and I'm 5'6", so this is what you got when you get this far under. You can see right here, but it goes way down through here. I mean, look at this. It gets wider back here, man. So if you were caught in a huge storm, this would absolutely be the place to be. Look at this, look how much cover you got. And all that green out there. And that goes on down around here. And out from underneath of it, some water's dripping down too. So it's weeping a little water. And yeah, look, it goes all the way down through there. Wow. Isn't that impressive? I think it is. So I think this trail ends here. I don't think we can get down to see that little lower waterfall, so I probably won't be getting that, but anyway, look at that. And here, see, look at these great big rocks right here. And then right there's back where we came from. How neat, huh? Hope you like that. Not sure what this is. Moss covered wood of some sort. Pretty wild looking. Alright, here's the trail we just finished. And you can see they're calling it Alum Cave. I showed you that with video and pictures. So that is it. If you want to pause it and read all about it, you can. But that'll be the video.